gather all your materials, cut and cut your vinyl and your leather, and you're gonna sort them in pairs. Get all your vinyl cut off, separate it on the transfer sheet and match them up to the piece of earring that it goes to. Using my brayer did not work to stick it down, so I used heat tape to keep it stuck down. And then I used the mini to press the HTV on. You're going to continue that with each set of earrings. And there's a link in the description to the printable instructions, and also a link to my file. So continue until you have all your earrings, all the vinyl pressed onto your faux leather earrings. The EasyPress Mini is really perfect for smaller projects like this and getting them done. You can make some really cool stuff with a smaller press, and in my opinion, it's a lot better than some of the smaller quote unquote irons that I've used in the past. Um, it just gets hotter. I feel like the plate is a little bit smoother. The edge, it's edge to edge. Um, and it's basically a one and done press. I have now done beer koozies, which you can see. I think it's a video before this one. And now the earrings. I've done 2 sets of earrings. I have a pair that will be posted on my second blog. Now, once you have all your heat press iron pressed on, you're going to want to put a jump ring in each hole. The ones that have 2 holes, you're going to put 1 jump ring through both holes and then add your earring hook. And when you're all done, you got some pretty cool little earrings. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button below. Make sure you're following my blog and following me on Instagram. I am Jamila _by Pink on Instagram.